Now, next step here, what we have to do, let's design one example. It's a little bit complex example. Step by step, we will see that how do we can handle. Okay, let's add in the HTML a div. So class as a container fluid. Okay, in that I just added a header. So that is class as text primary and the text center. Okay, here I defined some Amazon shopping. Okay, and in this I'm configuring a div class as row. Fine, and in this we have a div. So class as call, this is 3. So call 3. Okay, and another div we have class as so call this is 7. Okay, another div and a class as call, so we have some 2. Okay, because maximum columns is 12 width, that is the width of the columns that you can have. We have row and columns configured here, right? So here I am defining in this row and column combination. So temporarily, so here I am using call 3. So I will go to CSS file here and dot call 3, and for this border right border, so 2 pixel and dashed. Okay, and some dark CM. Okay, that is the color. So this is a just column style here. We don't have anything in the columns. Okay, and let's go into the column, and here I am adding a simple label. First we will keep a div class as a form group, and here I'm adding a label as select category, and here I'm adding a div in that a select element is available. In that we are not defining any options. So class as form control. Okay, so this is select category drop down. Okay, now yeah, so we are using SM, so a small. Okay, fine, select category is defined. So we don't have any items inside it. We need to configure some items into it. Okay, so initially let's keep empty because items are not there. To keep it empty, fine. Now we want another group here, so let's use another group here. So in this select product, okay, so we have another drop down, so select product. Okay, these are select category and select product options are available here. Now configuration here is another option is there, div and class as form group, and here we will put a label as preview. So preview. Okay, that means here we need to display the preview of the product they selected. Our point here is we need to display the product here. That means I select a category. Category related details will come here. Category related details will come here. and I select product related details will come. And important, we need a cascading of these drop down. That means when user changes the category, only that category related products should come. So the products drop down will be changing according to which category you are selecting. That is the important point here. So here we can keep in the center, we can keep the data later. We will just put the data later there, right side. So I'm adding here a div, and here I will put a span, and here you are say your cart items. Okay, your cart items. So this is the your cart items will be displayed right side corner, and here I will use a class as FA and FA cart, shopping cart, and a shopping cart symbol will come right side. You can see right side your cart items will come. I will keep this into a button actually. We'll keep this into a button. So we will add that into a button. So the cart items will be displayed in a button here. So your cart items. So you can configure the class as BTN, and BTN suppose info like this. It can get the symbol like this. Your cart items. So you have a button here. Fine. Left side we have the drop downs here, preview and here displaying. Right. Now we will achieve this. That means a lot of work is there here. Step by step we will see. First important, we need to create a cascading drop down here. Cascading drop down here. How do we design a cascading drop down here? So currently we are not having data coming from any service. Later we will use a service for data. Currently we will design our own electronics. So here I defined as footwear. I defined as some fashion like this. These are the categories. So we are having some categories. Okay. So these are the categories. That is electronics, footwear, and fashion. These are the categories. Now these items need to be displayed inside this drop down. The categories drop down. So that means we need to create an option. This option should perform an iteration. So we use ng for. So let item of collection is categories. And here I need to display the item. That means every item in the categories will come and display here. Select a category. User can select any category. Now important, when user selects the category related products should come here. That means product should change according to the category. So first, how we can access the details from this drop down. I will create a property. Called selected category. selected category. By default select a category.